Hey, I asked you guys which of these videos would you like to see? YouTube Shorts affiliate marketing, trading with Forex and making constant profits, Clickbank and paid ads, drop servicing or drop shipping. The majority of you so far in the last 23 minutes have said YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. You already know that if you make YouTube Shorts videos, you can go viral out of nowhere. And on top of this, you can promote Clickbank products in the descriptions of your YouTube Short videos to generate constant affiliate commissions on a daily basis. And this also comes passively because remember, YouTube videos from months or years ago can still be getting views, clicks, and revenue today. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow fast on YouTube without recording your own videos, without showing your own face, and also for you to enjoy this and keep this fun and not burn yourself out every single day. And on top of all of this, I'm going to show you how you can make money on your YouTube channel without even having 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours on your watch time. But now the problem is, if I can show you something that you can do right now to change your life, when will you start? Because I'm getting started right now. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay. I'm your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various different ways that I use to make money online. From affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, trading, Forex, creating content on YouTube, TikTok, etc. All various ways to make money online. So if you want to get an epic 10 to 15 minute video every single day, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on. And I have a challenge for you guys. I want you to comment down below how much money I made live in yesterday's video on the 11th of October. So I want you to go back, watch my previous video after this video, comment down below how much I made live in that video, and if you get the right answer, I do mention it in the video, if you get the right answer, I will pin that comment or the person who gets it right out of the random bunch of people who got it right, and I will send you a free $400 drop servicing course, lifetime access, which will teach you how to build your own successful drop servicing agency and sell services and skills that you don't even have to do all around the world. Really an epic course, so I really suggest all you need to do is leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below how much I made in yesterday's video. But without further ado, we're going to continue on my PC. Alright, so I'm back inside of my PC over here, and here you can see is the YouTube Shorts page. Now I'm going to teach you a couple of things in this video. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of fun niches that you can go and use to make money online with Clickbank and YouTube Shorts. But I'm mainly going to be focusing on the no face and no voice niche because, I mean, most people don't want to talk on camera or don't want to be on camera, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you today so that anybody can do this. There's no excuse. I mean, first of all, YouTube is a platform that's worldwide. If you have a phone and a camera, you can literally make money anywhere in the world. And the niche that we are going to be going into today is woodworkings. Over here you can see GS DIY Maker has uploaded over 212 videos, gotten over 188k subscribers and over 125 million views in the last year. This channel was created in December 31st, 2020. It's now only October 2021. So in 10 months, this channel has accumulated over 125 million views, over $100,000 a month. And I know that because as a YouTuber myself, the earnings estimates are closer towards the larger amount and most likely close to $1 million this year so far. This excludes Clickbank affiliate marketing. This channel has been making money way before 1,000 subscribers already through Clickbank affiliate marketing products. They're getting well over 1 million views a day. Over here you can see 1.9, 1.1, and well over $4,000 to $5,000 every single day. Some days even close to $8,000. And what does he post videos about? Basic YouTube Shorts and woodworking journeys. So take a look at this. He basically shows you a simple little video that's 1 minute long on how to fit a piece of wood into a corner of a room. Over here, he's basically adding two little planks into each other, and this video got 16k views in 2 weeks. This video over here, where he puts two planks that fit perfectly in a corner, has hit 51 million views in just 4 months. So I'm sure if you have two pieces of planks at home and a phone with a camera, you can make similar type of content. But that's not actually what we're going to be doing today. We're not going to be recording anything ourselves or doing voiceovers. This is actually going to be a unique, faceless and voiceless woodworking's niche YouTube channel that can blow up just like this one. Let me find a couple more that have a couple of views over here. Here you can see he basically rounds the edging of a wooden band joint and he hits 629,000 views in just 3 weeks. Over here he used a cube to add 2 pieces of wood together and got 2.3 million views in just 3 weeks. That is absolutely crazy. My channel total is close to 7 million views and I've been posting every day for 2 years. So what I've gotten in the last 2 years, this video has nearly gotten in just 1 week on a simple 55-second video. Secondly, we've got Hard Work over here who's only posted 84 videos and has hit a total of 48 million video views since January this year. They were only created 7 months ago and they are close to $500,000 every single year in estimated earnings, well over $10,000 to $20,000 a month, anywhere between 150 to 200,000, even 500,000 views every single day, well over $1,000 a day in YouTube ad revenue. This channel is also posting simple DIY content, and the funny thing is a lot of this content is not even their own. They are basically doing what we are going to be doing, is a faceless YouTube channel and outsourcing our content over here and absolutely blowing up. And remember, this is another channel that has been making boatloads of money way before 1,000 subscribers and even being monetized with affiliate links in the descriptions of their videos. And also thirdly, we've got Tooltips who's uploaded over 760 YouTube short videos, over 1.9 billion views on their YouTube channel. That is close to a seventh of the world, 2.1 million subscribers, and they only created their channel last year, January, so they've been around for a year and a half, and they are already close to 7 figures every single month in just YouTube ad revenue. Never mind Clickbank affiliate commissions, which is probably double the amount of this every single month. They are close to over $10 million every single year in YouTube ad revenue, close to 10 million views every single day, and well over $20,000 every single month. And remember, this excludes Clickbank revenue. And this is what we're going to go and do to replicate this. We're going to use faceless content for our YouTube Shorts channel with Creative Commons. So I firstly want to prove something to you and help you understand what Creative Commons is on YouTube. So by marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video, meaning you can use other people's content for your own YouTube Shorts. And I also want to prove to you, you can monetize royalty-free or Creative Commons content if the license agreement grants you the right to use it commercially. Sometimes rights owners require you to credit the creator in the content, so all you need to do is maybe at the end of a video or in the descriptions of your videos when using other people's content that have Creative Commons is give a credit. Just say original content by and leave a link to their channel, and just like that you can go and monetize Creative Commons content that is not yours. So this is what we're going to go and do. Come over to YouTube and go and just search Woodworkings over here, click on enter and go and change the filter by Creative Commons over here. Now all of this content on the Creative Commons tab is available for you to go and download, reuse and monetize on your own YouTube channel. So as you can see, there's a couple of smaller channels that have started with this and that are getting a couple of views. So I mean, this one channel's got 900 views, 500 views, 16 views, and these are like smaller channels on YouTube that are pretty new, and this is a good amount of views considering this is a new channel. And remember, with anything, consistency is key. YouTube Shorts favors content creators who are consistent. You can't expect your first YouTube Shorts video to hit 4 million views in a week. It might only get 5 or 10 videos. But YouTube's algorithm works with consistency. So when you post every day for 30 days, then maybe your 31st, 32nd, or 33rd video will start to hit virality, and then all your other previous videos also go viral. So it's a consistency game with this. And what you want to go and do is you want to go and filter this also by view count and go and find the most viewed videos in Creative Commons in Woodworkings, because that means these videos have already proven to go viral, so we can hopefully replicate that virality. Let's go and choose this video over here that has already hit 20,000 views. So we can go and click on this video over here on the top left of your browser, you can go and copy the URL of this video. Next, come over to a website called y2mate.com and paste the link over here and download this video as a 1080p YouTube video straight to your PC. And what you can do for more content ideas is if you come over to YouTube and search how to make wood, use the YouTube drop down for different content ideas. How to make a wood car, how to make a wood sword, door, katana, things, chairs, table. Let's go and choose chairs, for example, over here. Go and filter by Creative Commons, and you can go and use some of these clips over here that are Creative Commons. Again, make sure that you credit the original creator and you can get monetized on your content. Once you've got a couple of videos downloaded, we need to go and do a bit of editing to it. So we can go and use two programs. I'm going to give you a free one called Openshot.video editor. The website is openshot.org. You can download this on Linux, Mac, Windows, or Chrome directly. You can download it for free over here. Or you can go and use Sony Vegas Pro, which is the software that I use. So I'm going to open up my Sony Vegas program. And all we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop the video that we've downloaded from YouTube that we're going to be using for our YouTube Shorts. We want to go and change this to portrait mode. As we know, YouTube Shorts need to be in portrait. So we're going to click on the little settings icon on the top right over here. Change the width to 1080 by 1920 on the height. Click on apply. And you can see this is now in portrait mode. Again, what you want to do is just copy the same video, just like this. Click on this little zoom icon over here and zoom this all the way in so that it's around the background of the original video, and we're going to blur this background. So click on Event FX over here, look for Gaussian blur, Vegas Gaussian blur, click on add and click on OK, and all you want to do is adjust the Gaussian blur and make sure that you've removed the audio of that second one as well. So take a look at this now. This is what your video looks like over here if you see this play. And to get some background music, you can come over to the YouTube audio library, which will give you thousands of royalty-free songs that you're allowed to use when editing. And YouTube grants you the right to use this music, so you won't get copyright strike. There's no copyright infringement. You can still get monetized using YouTube audio library music. And the third step is we quickly want to go and add some text to our video. So firstly, you want to make sure that this video is less than a minute. So I'm just going to end it at the minute mark over here, or let's say just before a minute. And over here you want to right click, insert some text, and you want to type here click, let's just make this text a little bit smaller to, for example, 18, the dock to see over 40 in-depth woodworking courses. Let's just go and centerize this, and over here you can see this is what this text looks like. We just want to make sure that this is again a little bit smaller. You can see it's too big on the screen. Let's make this 14, okay, even a bit smaller, 12, I would say 9 over here fits perfectly. And let's just click on the zoom icon of this text, zoom this up and put this at the bottom over here, and that is perfect. The reason why we want to do this is because in the last 5 seconds of the video we want to have a call to action to this video to redirect our views to our Clickbank affiliate product. So once you're ready and you've added your song over here and you've got your video, you can highlight this entire video over here, just highlight it all the way from end to beginning, click on file, click on render over here. You want to click on custom template and you want to click on custom frame size, make the width 1080 and the height 1920 and click on OK and click on render. This is finished rendering. Come back to YouTube over here. We're going to click on create, click on upload videos and go and select the YouTube video that we've just created and rendered with Sony Vegas or Openshot.org. For your title, you can go and use a similar title to videos that have already gone viral. So let's go and open up this video over here and we can use the following title. How to make a chair of art out of wood, chair woodworkings tutorial. Before we continue with our description, you're going to come over to clickbank.com and I'm going to show you the perfect Clickbank affiliate product that suits the woodworking niche. If you're familiar with Clickbank, you can log in or sign up with your account. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to click on login. Click on marketplace on the top and click on find products and just type in woodworkings. click on the search bar over here. You want to scroll down until you get to this product over here, the Ultimate Small Shop Next Woodworking Blockbuster, which is basically an entire series that will teach you in-depth videos and courses and all the different resources that you need to make woodworkings product and sell that and make money off your woodworkings. Now this course, every time you sell this product through your affiliate link, you will make $32.73 per sale. This is what the landing page looks like over here. The sales page is completely done for you. You don't need to set anything up. All you need to do is click on promote over here, click on generate hop links, and copy your affiliate link over here. Come over to a website called bit.ly and click on enter, and shorten your link over here so it doesn't look as spammy and unneat. Copy your new shortened link, come back to the section where you're uploading your video, paste your link over here just to save it here for now, and copy the title of this product and paste this over here. Ultimate Small Shop, the next woodworking blaster. Get access to all our woodworkings to start your own hobby or business, then have your link to your affiliate link. Once this is ready, you can go and click on next and post. And as you saw, this was so easy to do. You want to set a challenge and do this every day for 30 days, upload daily, get some consistency and volume coming into your channel, and over time, you never know, in the next 2 to 3 months, one video is all it takes to go viral and your whole channel has gone viral. Now you're making tons of money on ad revenue and all of your affiliate links, which can be thousands of dollars every single day. So I hope you can see that consistency and a little bit of effort into this, which I don't even think is a lot of effort at all, can really blow this up for you and be life-changing. But like I mentioned, if you want to go and see how I made $130 live in yesterday's video, if you literally follow me in the video, you can replicate and do the same. I'm going to leave that video on the screen over here, so I want you to go and click on this video. Also, don't forget about today's giveaway that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. But this video over here will teach you 3 strategies, and I practice and do them live in this video, and I managed to hit $130 doing this, and you can do this again and again and again every single day. So make sure to go and click on this video over here, and I'll see you over there.